Hi guys, how are you doing? Let's start our new spelling lesson for week 3. We finished week 2 and we're going to week 3. Write the date alone and let's start. Prepare your CW. I hope you're ready. Spelling words. For week 3. So we did in week 1 all the words with full, words ending with full. And in week 2 we had all of those words ending in ly. Now we will do time words. Wait, this letter T shouldn't be here. Time words. Silly sound. Time words. I'm sure you already did time words this year with your other teacher, and I'm sure you did time words last year with me and with the other teacher as well, so it won't be something new for you. Let's start. Use each one in sentence. You know the homework, and after that we'll do the vocab, new reading tomorrow, and so on. Number 1. Let me see. Number 1 is before. Before. Please use the word before in a sentence. Before. What did you do before yesterday? Think about anything with word before. Next word is the word next. Next, I'm going to write the word 3. So we have before, before, magical E, and then the word next. Okay. Next word, the word after the word next is after. 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 What are you going to do after this lesson? Are you going to do your homework or you're going to play? What will you do after this? Every day. Every day. I'm repeating the same thing, coming to school and recording these videos for you. What about you? What do you do every day? When? When will all of this end and all of us come back to school and have normal lessons? When? Okay. Number 6. Later. Later. Later, when I finish all my lessons here, I will go home. What about you? Next one. Am I going too fast? I can slow down. You're not here, so I can't see the speed you're writing with. Slow down a little bit. So the last one I wrote was later. Number 7, yesterday. Yesterday, I made lunch, and then we ate it all. What did you do yesterday? Next word, sometimes. Sometimes. I think we had this word already. It's a compound word, some and time. Sometimes we go to cinema, sometimes we don't. Number 9. Usually. Usually was also our word ending with ly. So it will be super easy for you just to revise it and not to learn it from scratch. And the last one, often. Often. some people are pronouncing it like often and some like often. And I heard both of them as correct. And I even asked, should it be pronounced like this or like that? Depending on where people live, even in which part of US or the UK, they are saying it often or often, and both of them are correct. So, homework. You know it, right? Write each word 3, 4, or 5 times, and write 5 sentences. 5 sentences using them. That's it. So that's all for the spelling, the time words. I'll read them one more time. Before, next, after, every day, when, later, yesterday, sometimes, usually, and often or often, depending on whom you're talking to. Okay, now vocabulary words. Look guys, for this week we will be reading more about Roxanne and the bear from the workbook. There is another piece of text over there. So we don't have a word cloud. I read it and I saw the words that maybe you don't know. So we'll use them as vocab for this week, okay? First one, I will not explain them now. We will explain them tomorrow while we read. Adopted. Adopted. Try looking for it in a dictionary. Maybe you can find the meaning alone. And the next one, down, 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 battered. Battered. Think of what could it mean. You can even read the text in advance and try to figure it out on your own. Clung. Clung. I'm sure you will understand it when we read. You will figure it out on your own from the text. This one, maybe you know it. You should know it. But it won't do any harm if you repeat it. Whisper. Whisper. And the last one. Wiping. So vocab for this week, we have 5 words: adopted, battered, clung, whisper, and wiping. That's all for today, guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.